In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize our conditional logic to hide and show particular fields. This feature is particularly useful if you have forms where you have lots of optional fields that only need to be completed when a certain value has been selected. By hiding fields like this, it makes the form shorter and it also makes the user experience a lot smoother. So in this case, I'm already in the form builder, and we are going to use a very simple scenario here. So the question is, do you have X, Y, Z? If yes, please provide more details. So the logic I'm going to set up for this is if they select yes, this field will show. If they select no, it will be hidden, and it will be hidden by default. Okay, so if we have a look at the form currently, you can see we've just got our standard setup here. Nothing happens when I select yes or no. So whenever you're setting up any kind of logic, you will always set it up in the field that's going to be shown or hidden. And you can do this for multiple fields. So I go into the form settings, click on field conditions, and in this case, I want this field to be hidden initially. Okay, so by default it's shown, but I'm going to change it to hide. And I'm now going to add the condition. Okay, so in this case, I need to add some logic. And then I need to choose the field which creates the hide or show function. So it's do you have X, Y, Z? And we're going to say equal to yes. And what we want to do is we want the result state to be show. Okay, and it's really as simple as that. So I'm going to hit save now. And when I go back to my form, if I hit refresh, you'll now see that that field is hidden. So if I click on yes, it shows. If I click on no, it's hidden. You can do that with multiple fields. So maybe when I select yes, that might then show 5 or 6 different fields. And obviously, no, it hides them. So it's a very simple process of how to set up conditional logic to show and hide fields on iPEGS Remote.